Now you're going to learn how to make your website responsive for different viewing ports and mobile devices using media queries. So let's do an example. First, we're going to create a container. We're going to put an image and some text in that container. First, let's style the container. Let's give it a height 250. Let's give it a width 500 pixels. Let's give it a border too. All right. Now I want this box to be centered horizontally and vertically. So why don't you pause the video right now and make a pin just like this and try to do it. Okay, did you do it? So how I'm going to do it, so I'm going to make its position absolute. I'm going to give it a top of 0, left 0, bottom 0, and right 0. So right now it's positioned absolute in this area. It's not going to move. So now what I do is to give it a margin of auto, and boom, it's centered both vertically and horizontally. So now we're going to add an image to the container. There's an image that I have. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And right now it doesn't fit. So let's change this to image. Let's have a width of 100% and a height 100%. And my error is that I made this a class. This is not a class, it's an image. Okay, so now my image fits my container. So now we're going to have even more fun. I'm going to make some media queries. Let's make my hamster disappear. So media screen and min width 900 pixels. Okay. And let's do image display none. Oh, my hamster's gone. So this media query right here means that for this rule, the image displayed none, to take effect, the viewing screen size must be 900 pixels or less. So now let's create a paragraph in here. It's going to say, where is my hamster? And we're going to style this. Okay. Now we're going to make another media query, except this time it's going to be for when the viewing screen is 900 pixels or more. I'm just going to change this to paragraph. Change this to max width. Now, save the pin. Now, let's take it full screen and test it out. There's my hamster. See? Right when we cross the 900 pixel mark, the rules take effect. I'm going to show you another neat trick to make your website images and elements responsive, but without using media queries. So when I reduce the page width my hamster got cut off. So what I want to do then is create a max width for the container. That means it can be 500 pixels or less. So now let's see what this looks like. So there's my hamster, and keeps getting smaller, and instead of getting cut off, he adapts to the page. So that's how you can make your website responsive for mobile devices and different size screens. And in the next lecture, we're going to go over CSS frameworks, what they are, when to use them, and how to use them.